You keep saying you'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll wake up early. Tomorrow you'll work out. Tomorrow you'll study. Tomorrow you'll finally do something with your life. But tomorrow keeps turning into next week, then next month, then another year. You sit there watching other people change. Other people get stronger, smarter, more confident, and you keep telling yourself you'll do it soon. You open videos about success. You make plans in your head. You imagine the person you could become. For a moment, it feels real. Then the next morning comes. You wake up tired. You grab your phone. You scroll for a little too long. You tell yourself you'll start after breakfast, then after lunch, then after one more video. And before you know it, the day is gone again. Not because you're lazy, not because you're weak, because comfort is quiet. It doesn't look dangerous. It tells you to rest, to wait, to take it easy, to start when you feel ready. But ready never comes. You don't become confident before you start. You become confident because you started. You don't become disciplined before you take action. You become disciplined by doing things when you don't feel like it. And this is where everything changes, because the real problem was never motivation. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. The real problem is that you keep waiting to become someone else before you take action. You keep waiting to feel different, stronger, more ready, more sure. But the version of you that has discipline, the version of you that has confidence, the version of you that has control, that person is built by the things you do when you don't want to do them. Every time you delay, you teach yourself that your words mean nothing. Every time you quit, you teach yourself that you can't trust yourself. But every time you do the hard thing, even for 5 minutes, you prove something. You prove that you are stronger than your excuses, that you are stronger than comfort, that you are stronger than the voice that tells you to wait one more day. Because discipline is not punishment. It's freedom. It's waking up and knowing you control your mind instead of your mind controlling you. It's becoming someone you can respect, someone you can rely on, someone who actually does what they say. So now the question is, how many more tomorrows are you willing to lose?